Hello, my name is Noah Defer, and I'm going to be showing off the first part of the Activiti application. As you can see here, we're in the login screen, and we can sign up by clicking this button and typing in our name and password, and clicking this. That'll add Noah to the database, and we can sign in using the new account, and that'll take us to the main menu. Next, I'm going to show off the My Events page. As you can see, it's currently empty, and we can add an event by clicking Create Event. Here, we could enter in event fields like its name. And by hitting Save Event, as you can see, that saves it to the database. And as you can see, now it shows up on this screen. Next, we can edit the event by hitting Edit Event, Save Event, and as you can see, it's been updated in the repository and in the application screen. And lastly, we can hit Delete Event to remove the event from both. Then we can hit Back to go back to the main menu. Next, there's one more feature I want to show you. We can log in as an admin. And as you can see, there's two admin features on the bottom of the screen now. The first lets us toggle other users as admins. Noah is an admin. Noah is not an admin. And then we can delete users from the application. Noah is here. Noah is not here. And this also deletes any of the associated database entries of that user in the other tables as well. That's it for my portion of the application. Next, Suhaib is going to show off the My Exercise portion of Activiti.
Hi guys, my name is Suhaib and I did the exercise portion of the app. Here we'll press My Exercise, and here I start with a motivational quote from Zen Quotes using Retrofit. And then we have cardio, weightlifting in progress. Let's go to cardio, and we'll start with walking. Then we'll do medium, 20 minutes of that. Then we'll go to weightlifting. Let's do bench press, 5 sets, 20 reps, 20 minutes total. Save workout. And then here's the live update. Then we go to progress. Here we have the estimated total calories burned 280 using the lifting session and the cardio session. And if you delete one of these, live update there, then goes to 160 because we only did walking 20 minutes. Then you can delete this and it goes to 0. And that is my portion of the app. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nasser, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the wellness section of the Activiti application. So the wellness section is specifically designed for tracking your overall well-being. So specifically mental, physical, and everything else. So the first thing you do is you click on the My Wellness section, and you basically see 4 options. So the first thing is sleep, second one is mood, third one is journal, and the last one is a summary of everything. So to track your sleep, you go ahead and click on sleep, and it asks you 3 questions. So first of all, how many hours did you sleep last night? So in this case, you can put in however many hours of sleep you had. So let's say 9 hours. Second, you can also put in if you're feeling refreshed or if you're feeling restless. And if you look at the database on the left side, as soon as I create it, it should appear on the right side. There is our entry. The second thing you can put in is the mood. And in this case, you can enter in a name. So like, I'm feeling happy. And you can also put an energy level with it. So like if you're feeling very energetic, you can put it really high or relatively in the middle, or maybe in the low end or something. And then you can go ahead and click save, and that also gets updated here. So that's the new one. And the last thing you can also enter in is a journal entry. So for the title, you can put like, say, ate food for breakfast, and then you can also write like what food you had. So like 1 cup of coffee plus a croissant. And then you go ahead and save that, and that also gets recorded in the database. And lastly, you can see a summary of all of it in the summary section. So here for today, it says I had 9 hours of sleep, my mood was happy, and I ate food for breakfast. And for the previous day, it has everything here, the previous day, and the previous day after that. And for all of this, it essentially allows you to enter multiple as well. So if you had naps throughout the day as well, you can put multiple naps. So like 2 hours, feeling refreshed, maybe a little restless as well. And if you look at the summary, it'll have both of those sleeps in there. And the same goes for the mood and the journal as well. And that wraps up the wellness section of the activity application.
My name is John Mitchell, and this is my portion of the program. First, we're going to go to My Travel, view hiking routes, which allows you to put the name, place, difficulty, time, danger level, a rating for it, and tips that you're wanting to specify, and you can add it into a view holder card. And the visited places, which is the next one, you can add the place, category of the visited place, and notes you're wanting to take on it, while also uploading a photo that you took of that place and save it into another card view. And they have both been properly implemented into the table's functions. And the next thing I'm going to show before I go to view outdoors is this function, which allows you to search up the specific card name, allowing you to actually see it appropriately. And it also prevents you from doing multiple searches on the same function so that it doesn't overlap. And next is the view outdoors, which allows you to do the name, location, type of activity like baseball, duration 4 minutes, rating and notes, and then you save it and does the exact same thing as is shown below. And this one also goes to an event activity that my teammate created, and it allows you to create an outdoor activity event, which is shown here, but I'll allow my teammate to show the functionality of that, and that is all.